Hello everyone, and the corporate update for this week. First of all, I would like to report that we are pretty much completed with our 10K. Our fiscal year ended June 30th, 2024. All the final documents have been submitted, reviewed. We're going through QA and a few minor things with the paperwork. So would expect to get the final good to go sometime this week, maybe the latest next, and we're filing next week. I'm fairly confident about it. By the way, the 10K is due at the end of this month. I believe it's September 30th, if I'm not mistaken. Secondly, we're filing several grants with the state of New Mexico and Department of Energy. Those grants will be related to our newer technology, hydroplasma, and also our LPNs, which are, been introduced in water remediation for produced and fracked water. Most of that water after the remediation may go into the agriculture, so the grants paperwork will be submitted at the end of this month, and my understanding is that it will take about 45 days that the state will come back to us with okay or no go. So it's really a fast track, and I'm hoping that we will get some funding for our newer technology, which will involve New Mexico State University and the brackish water facility, which is federal facility in Alamogordo. Also, I'm getting some feedback finally from our pilot installation in Canada from B&B Hacienda. So we have a conference call September 25th to discuss the advances in our water treatment. I will be able to report it right after that. So all in all, I will have a trip toward the end of this week to Texas as well to see a couple of oil and gas companies, and which will involve our technology and water remediation, and see a couple of our investors as well. So this is it for this week, and when I come back, I will provide you an update next week as well. Have a great week, everybody, and talk to you soon.